Hello, my name is Bill Rapp. I'm the Mortgage Viking, based right here in Houston, Texas. I'm very good at what I do, and I'm available for hire if you're serious about getting your mortgage approved. I'm licensed in 14 states, and I can help people achieve their dream of home ownership. We are mortgage bankers that function like mortgage brokers, so we can shop your loan to make sure we get you the best deal. But we also do fund all our loans, so that's the big difference there. We have access to all kinds of loan programs, including conventional, FHA, VA, USDA, and even non-qualified mortgage or non-QM loans for people who've had credit issues in the past. I also originate commercial mortgage loans as well as private money mortgage loans for investors. And the purpose of this video is to give you a 5-step process to the path to home ownership. Step number 1, pull out your credit score. Step is crucial for many reasons, but before we go over the specifics, let's take a look at what's a bad credit score and what's a great one. Scores that are considered poor are anything below 619. Scores that are considered fair are between 620 and 639. Scores that are considered good are between 640 and 739. And scores that are considered great are over 740. Now, the reason why you want to consult your credit score first is because you want to know where your score is at these days. If it's below where it needs to be, we can put strategies in place to get you where you need to be. Ideally, most lending institutions will cut off their lending at 640. We offer loans down to a 580 credit score. If you click the button below, I'd love to work with you moving forward. Step number 2, getting as much money as possible for your down payment. Homes are more expensive than ever, and lenders will now allow you to put down as little as 3% for a traditional conventional mortgage. I'm sure you know this, but the VA and the USDA also allow you to finance 100% of your purchase price product. But A, you have to be a veteran for one, or B, you have to be living in a rural area. If you're not one of those two, then you need to have at least 3% to put down. Now, with that in mind, having more money put aside for a down payment can help you in lowering your monthly mortgage payment. This is why I came out with 3 simple strategies that you can use to have more money in your pocket when you're ready to buy. 1, save your tax return every year. 2, do a spring cleaning in your home and sell things you no longer need in a garage sale or on eBay. And 3, find a second job until you save enough for the down payment. Step number 3, picking the right lender. This is a really important step that could instantly save you thousands of dollars. Nowadays, you have 3 main options for getting a mortgage broker, a mega bank, or a mortgage banker. Now, you're probably asking yourself, what's the difference between all of them? Well, the answer is fairly simple. The era of the here today, gone tomorrow mortgage broker that contributed to the mortgage meltdown of 2008 is over. Mortgage brokers are in it for themselves and may try to steer you into a loan product that is more profitable to them and not in your best interest as their client. I personally would want somebody to represent me that puts my interests first, wouldn't you? Megabanks, i.e. Wells, Chase, etc., are everywhere and convenient. Capital One just closed their mortgage lending doors last month. If you were to go with one of them, it would take you 60 to 90 days to get your loan application closed. And typically what happens is they have an overwhelming number of loan applicants, so they end up cherry-picking the best loan files for the best loan applicants. In my opinion, the best solution is a friendly, down-to-earth mortgage banker that will give you a hands-on approach and give you the unique attention that you deserve. This will give you access to multiple lenders, the best pricing, and the quickest closings that fit your unique situation. If you click the link below, I will reach out and talk to you, and I look forward to working. Step number 3, saving the deal and saving money by being pre-approved. A lot of people make the mistake of not being pre-approved by their mortgage specialist before they start shopping. This could become a costly mistake if not taken seriously. Let me give you an example. You start shopping for your first home and you find an incredible deal that perfectly fits your needs, and on top of that, the seller wants to sell quickly, so the price of the house is a little bit under the actual market value. You get all excited and decide to make an offer, but then you realize you're not the only one who loved the deal, and then there's more than one offer on the table. Even though you offered to pay a little bit more for the house, the seller ends up taking another offer for the following reason. They were pre-approved ahead of time. They could sell and close within a certain specified time frame. That heartache is totally preventable if you just take the time to get pre-approved and work with a guy like me. Step number 5, make a real estate agent work for you for free. Most of us think as a real estate agent is representing the seller, which they usually are. This means that the commission for the buyer's agent has already been pre-negotiated into the price. Having your own representation is always a good idea, and most importantly, it won't cost you a penny. A good buyer's agent can help you find the right home quickly because they know the area and have access to listings, open houses, and other pertinent information. Your buyer's agent can advise you on real estate attorneys, home inspectors. They can recommend all kinds of people that you would need along the way as well. Now, the most important part is the seller's agent has a legal responsibility to act in their best interest, not yours. So, really, you need a trained professional in your corner, and that's a buyer's agent. I would choose your agent with as much care as if you were selling a home, and if they want you to enter into a formal contract, make sure it includes a cancellation clause in case you're not satisfied. I would also suggest looking for a realtor with an ABR designation, which stands for Accredited Buyer's Representative, and they specialize in working on the buyer side. What I encourage you to do right now is to click the button below the video, enter your information, and I will be in contact with you shortly to help you out. You'll either like my team and will understand the value I can provide for you, and we'll decide to work together, or if you feel like I can't help you, I'll gladly refer you to the right person. Either way, you will receive an insanely valuable financial analysis session, and will walk away with a plan with newfound clarity as to where you are right now and what needs to be done to get you where you want to be. Most of my clients end up telling me it was the wisest 30 minutes they've invested within the past year. Please click on the button below. I will reach out in 24 to 48 hours